Hey guys, Brian with TrailGrid Pro here. Today on this 4Runner, we're going to be installing these new Morimoto sequential turn signals that go right here in the mirror. So this process is going to be the same for both the driver and the passenger side. So for the sake of time, we're going to show you here on the passenger side. So the first thing that we need to do is actually remove the mirror cap here, and what we can do to do that is right here on the edge of the mirror cap, you can see there's this little bit that pokes out. We're just going to nice even pressure. You hear it, it sounds kind of violent, but the cap's going to pop right off. And then you'll notice there's two Phillips head screws. There's one here over the light, and then there's one right here. We're going to go ahead and take those out. All right, so we got those two screws out. We're going to set those in our mirror cap so we don't lose them. And then you'll see right here where all these wires come through, there's two yellow wires that are in a little hook here. We're going to go ahead and work those out. All right, so you see these two yellow wires here. They're held in with this little clip. So we're just going to work those out. There we go. On the inside of the mirror here on this black trim piece, we're going to go ahead and push in. It's going to loosen that side up. We're going to use our screwdriver here. Just going to loosen that. All right, so we have this top piece loosened up. We also need to loosen this bottom piece, and then this whole black trim here that goes around the light is going to come out. So we're going to keep working it with our panel tools. All right, that's let loose now. Now all we have to do is just, again, nice even pressure, and this whole cap is going to come off. Again, this gives you access to your puddle lights if you have those installed. Now's a great time to go ahead and swap the bulb out for LED. We're going to go ahead and take this off. As you can see, the customer has already swapped that out, so that's a nice upgrade. All right, now the only thing left is to get the light itself out. And if you look right here, you see this black section here that has two tabs that mount it to the body of the mirror. We're going to put our panel tool in there and just push that tab down, and then our whole light assembly comes out. All right, press the tab and pull the connector off. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and install our new Morimoto light. So all we need to do is reverse the steps that we just did to get the light out. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the connector. That's in place. And then we're going to orient the light to where we get the tabs. All right, now that we have our light in there, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the puddle light. And just twist into place. And then we're going to line up our lower cover. Just be careful with this, just kind of work it slowly, getting it back into position. All right, we'll make sure that our trim piece is nice and tight here to the outside of the mirror. The light is nice and centered in there. Make sure that your corner's back in place here. And now we can go ahead and set the two screws back into place. And then last thing, we just need to reinstall the mirror cover. So just line it up. Snap back into place. Just a couple of minutes, now you have a nice new Morimoto turn signal light. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are looking for a quick, easy, and affordable upgrade for your 4Runner that's equipped with turn signal mirrors, go ahead and check these out at www.trailgridpro.com. And as always, you guys have a blast out there.